I said, and I'm just gonna, instead of hitting turbo mode, I'm just gonna gear down to but you hear that? Now you can hear it. So I'm just not sure where that noise is coming from. And then after I do a ride and I'm even on flat ground, it sounds like marbles. And then the bike sits there overnight. And maybe it's coming from the rear sprocket, that noise, like it's trying to jump a sprocket. And I can't determine that it's from the back of the bike, it's just coming straight up. Okay, pedal assist 6. Like I said, I don't know if that's the sprockets in the back, chain trying to jump. You know, like it's right. But when I shift, it shifts fine to the next gear, to the next sprocket.